my name is Sonam, and today we are going to learn English sentences and daily use. Okay, you can use this anytime at home or school. Okay, at lunchtime, anytime, anytime. Okay, even at video time, even at dancing time, anytime. Okay. So there are going to be 5, and you're going to repeat after me. If you don't know what's that, if you know that, then you can say it with me, okay? Let's start. This is a book. Can you say this is a book? Good. This is a water bottle. Can you say this is a water bottle? Good, everyone. This is a marker. Can you say marker? Good. This is a round ball. Can you say a round ball? And the last one, here it comes, the cozy squishy pillow. Can you say the cozy squishy pillow? Oh, wonderful. If you repeat it after me, good, and I think now you know all of them, and you can say it with me, okay? Let's start. What is this? It is a marker. What is this? It is a ball. What is this? This is a water bottle. What is this? This is a cozy squishy pillow. And what is this? A notebook. Wow, you remember all of them. Good. Now, we are going to do some experiments and what is in there and what we can do with that, okay? This is a water bottle. Water bottle has water inside so that we can drink. This is a notebook. We can write and we can read what we have written from our whole day. This is a pillow. We can sleep in and we can play with it. And this is a ball. We can play with it and we can throw it when it's soft, okay? And this is a marker. I can draw it. I can write with it. Good job, everyone. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe.